Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You guys know by the title of the video that we are going to be talking about Arbitrum. Arbitrum is doing something absolutely insane right now. If we're looking at the overall markets, this is a huge day for the markets. Ethereum absolutely exploding, altcoins exploding, but look what Arbitrum's doing. Arbitrum is hitting insane price gains within its price, up 27.5% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, also up 25% in Bitcoin and Ethereum comparative over the last 24 hours. So is this finally the time where we really see Arbitrum absolutely explode and see these crazy price movements? And is this momentum that we're seeing happening really going to take Arbitrum to possibly even double digits? We're going to discuss that right now. As always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So if we're looking at Arbitrum right now, trading at $1.53 with a market cap of almost $2 billion mark. Forget about the market cap. Look at the buying pressure coming in. The 24-hour trading volume right now for Arbitrum is almost $1.4 billion, almost the same as its market valuation. Absolutely insane. And if we're looking at the charts, obviously on the daily time frame, we can't really tell as to what really is going on because it's still in the market for not too long, unless it's been less than a month since it's been in the markets. And right now we're looking at the Binance listed it at $1.58, and we could potentially break out and hit a newer all-time high very soon. Price discovery mode, things can really start going insane for Arbitrum right now, guys. Look at this. So this project, I've been telling you guys on my channel, if you are part of the cryptocurrency communities, you know that this project was one of the most highly anticipated project that was launching this year. And it held really strong, even though more and more claims were more and more airdrops were being claimed. It still held above that dollar mark. And if you picked up some Arbitrum, guys, just yesterday, $1.16, let that sink in. Let's say you picked some Arbitrum around that range, you are up 30% in a single day. You've heard that correct. And that should show that these type of projects, these blockchain projects, are insanely hyped. Look what happened last year, last bull cycle, Polkadot, and what else was there? Solana. There's a lot of I can't even think of all these ones right now. Uniswap, all these airdrop projects, they went absolutely insane in the previous bull cycle. So I believe Arbitrum, considering what it's doing, the hype factor that it has, would not be surprised even this year that if it was able to pull a double digits, because in order for it to pull double digits, it would need to be $22 billion market cap. And again, if Bitcoin were to continue its upwards trend and altcoins really start exploding into the later year of this year, basically that's what I'm trying to say. I can't even speak at this point because I'm so excited. I do expect it's definitely a possibility, because we've seen other newer projects that never really got the hype. When the FOMO kicks in, things can move up very fast. So I'm not writing it off that Arbitrum can't hit a double digit this bull cycle next year. I'm very confident. Again, this is just my own personal opinion. Only time is going to tell. I'm just looking at, historically speaking, projects similar to this, what they have done, and I'm coming up with what I could see Arbitrum doing. And I'm very confident. Again, this is just my own personal opinion, that if not later this year, we would be able to see Arbitrum trading at a double digit alt per arb next year. So it's still a long ways to go. You guys can literally see we got stopped out literally at that $1.58 resistance where Binance initially listed it. But I wouldn't really consider this even an all-time high, because when project gets listed on an exchange, it gets listed at such a high price sometimes. So that shouldn't really be taken too seriously. But most importantly, this part should be taken back on March 24th, when we were trading at 156 cents, guys. And right now the momentum is on our side. BTC dominance pulling down, altcoins are exploding. This can literally see us rip to $2, and I would not be surprised if that even happened in the next maybe day or so. I honestly would not be surprised if BTC dominance continues this drop and most likely even goes down more to that 47% and Bitcoin starts consolidating around this range, I would not be surprised if Arbitrum does hit $2 very, very soon. So far, so good, guys. I really do believe Arbitrum is going to be one of the top performers. I've said this before, and this is something crazy. That we're seeing in this move should not be ignored. Up 30% in a single day. That is quite impressive, and market cap is approaching a $2 billion mark. And in order for it to be double that, which is $3, guys, that's $4 billion mark. And in cryptocurrencies, that in the bull market, hype project, that can happen very, very fast. So, look at Aptos, for example. Aptos was not even hyped, not even close to being hyped compared to what Arbitrum was, and that pulled a $3 billion market cap. Not even, at the beginning of the bull market. It went earlier this year, it went to almost $3 billion market cap. So Arbitrum pulling a $4 billion market cap is not out of the blue, which would put it at $3 per ARB. So really do expect a lot of gains coming from this project. But with that said, if you are a holder, have an exit strategy in place because you want to be maximizing your profits. Do not get greedy. If you're sitting at some life-changing gains, take those profits because that is really, really, really important to do so in this market. And I cannot stress this enough. Without that, you are going to be left out. But that is it for today's update. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX and peace out.